Good morning, students. I am Akshay Kumar Das. Once again, welcome you to Virtual Studio Sundargarh. So, this is the third lesson on the topic adverbs and adverbials, which is the chapter 10th from your English grammar book. So, in our previous two lessons, we have already known what is called an adverbs, how adverbs are formed, how we can identify adverbs in a sentence, and also learn what are the types of adverbs, how we can differentiate any adverbs in a given sentence. So in this lesson we are going to learn what is called an adverbials, how adverbials forms, and what are the position and orders of adverbs. So we don't have to be late. Let's go to the smart boards and proceed our learning. Adverbials and position and order of adverbs. So dear students, adverbs and adverbials interrelated words. Okay, the meaning of adverbs and adverbials are same, but when they are being used in sentence, there may be some difference, but we can say this is a huge difference between this. Okay, so let's learn adverbials. So an adverbials is a word, a group of words or phrase which acts like adverbs. So an adverbials is a word. It may be a group of words or phrase which acts like adverbs. So it means whatever we have learned in previous lesson, that is whatever we learn in adverbs they are same. Okay, so like adverbs, it also modify verbs, adjectives or adverbs. It also gives the information that how, when, where and how often an action is done. So dear students, we know that adverbs and adverbials are same. So an adverbials acts or behaves like adverbs because the meaning of adverbials and adverbs are same. So like adverbs, adverbials also modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs in the sentence. But also gives information how, when, where and how often an action is done. Okay. So adverbials are more than one words. Okay. So in adverbs, this is only one word. But when you talk about adverbials, it is more than one word. So look, take an example. The train goes fast. Here fast is used as an adverb which qualify the verbs go. Okay. But when we talk about adverbials, the train goes very fast. Here fast is itself an adverb. And before this adverb, another adverb is used here, very. So this is combination of two adverbs. So जदि आमे adverbs जेतेबेले adverbs पढुतिला जदि आमे एठारे adverbs कहिबा, here adverbs qualify the other adverbs. But so as far as adverbial is concerned, एठारे आमे कहिबा very and fast combination of two words which is called an adverbials which qualify the verbs. Okay, एठारे very and fast जो combine होइचंती सही very and fast को आमे adverbials बोली कहिबा जहा कि एठारे verb को qualify करिसंती. Okay, so but we can say this is also an adverbial. Okay, this is also an adverbial. Adverbs may be, so adverbial which is one word we can say adverbs. But when it is more than one words, they are called adverbials. Okay, or we can say adverbs, all adverbials or adverbs can adverbials. All adverbials cannot be adverbs. Okay, so they add extra meaning to the verbs in the sentence. So adverbials add extra meaning to the verbs in the sentence. Take an example. He went. Here one example is he went. Here he is a pronoun act as subject and when is verb. There is no any particular words that qualify the verbs went. एठारे किछि particular words नहीं जे कि verbs को qualify करो. Look, second example. He went to Puri. So here to Puri is a phrase. Now it's qualify the verbs. Now it's add extra information about the verbs went. Okay, so this to puri we can say it is used as an adverbial. Okay, and we can say this is formed in prepositional phase because the head word here is preposition. Let's come to the third one. He went to Puri yesterday. Here one more word is added, that is yesterday. Here this is, we can say this is also an adverbial. Okay, which add extra information or extra meaning to the verb went. Or take a fourth example. He went to Puri yesterday to see Jagannath temple. So another words we can add it. Okay, it will be to Puri yesterday to see Jagannath temple. So here different meanings can be added by an adverbials. Okay, so in this way they add extra meaning to the verbs in the sentence. So forms of adverbials. So adverbials can be formed some adverb phrase, prepositional phrase and noun phrase. Let's discuss. An adverb phrase. The train goes very fast. Here very fast is used an adverbials which qualify the verbs goes. Okay, and there is two adverbs here. So this is called an adverb phrase which qualify the verbs go here. We were very slowly. We are doing very slowly. Here very slow is an adverbial which is formed from adverb phrase which qualify the verb do. Come to next, a prepositional phrase. Okay, so we are playing in the park. Here in the park it is an adverbial which qualify the verb play. This adverbial is formed from and here is a preposition which is the head word of the phrase. He cuts it with a knife. So here due to having preposition and it is a phrase, is qualify the verb. Come to the next slides. A noun phrase. I got your letter this morning. Here this letter is an adverbial which is formed from noun because this morning here is the head words. Okay. He came last Sunday. Here last Sunday is a noun phrase. Okay, by using this noun phrase, this adverbial is made, which qualify the verbs came here. Okay. So possession and order of adverbs. So dear students, we can say all adverbs can be placed in one position. They may be varied on the basis of their types and different rules. Okay. So आमे कही परिवानी समस्त adverbs गोटे प्लेस रे रही पारिबे. So they may be varied. Okay. So possession and order of adverbs. So basically adverbs are mainly placed in three positions in a sentence. Actually we know that basically there are three positions in a sentence. One is front, second one is mid and third one is end position. So in front position, take an example. Suddenly the phone rang. Here suddenly it's an adverb which is used in front of the sentence qualify whole sentence. Phone rang. Here we can say suddenly call sentence adverbs. Okay. So in mid position. So I always exercise before work. Here always is an adverb which is used in between I and other parts of the sentence. So in this way it is used in middle position. In end position, he speaks English well, which is called the adverb of manner, which is used in the in position to qualify the verb speak. So in this way, different type of adverbs can be placed in different place on the basis of their types and different rules. Okay. So different types of adverbs are placed in different position, which are discussed below. In front position. So all sentence adverbs are placed in the front position. For example, obviously you have to come. एठारे obviously गोटे adverb जोटा sentence adverb भाबे एठारे यूज हेछि. Okay, and which is placed in front of the sentence. Okay, So other sentence adverbs are actually, basically, fortunately, these adverbs are also placed in front of sentence. Okay. So and we know that these adverbs are sentence adverbs. So in our previous lesson we have already done sentence adverbs are some adverbs which is used in front of a sentence to qualify all those parts in the sentence, and we can say whole sentence. Okay. So most adverbs of time go in front position. So ଆଉ କେତେକ adverbs of time ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁମାନେ front position ରେ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି. Some example, take some example. Yesterday I met him in a shop. So here yesterday is adverb of time which is used in front of sentence to qualify whole sentence. Today I am going to clean the house. Here today is also adverbs of times which qualify whole sentence. Okay. Some frequency adverbs such as usually, sometimes, normally, etc. come in front position. So usually, sometimes, normally come in front position. They don't tell exact number of frequency. साधारणतः भाव में आम देखा कि केतोटी एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी अछंती जो माने फ्रंट पोजीशन रे प्लेस होई थांती. ओके. सच एडवर्ब्स आर यूजुअली, समटाइम्स, नॉर्मली. Actually they don't tell exact number of frequency. Okay. So like in 1 week there are 3 times in a week. They do not type like that. They do not tell like that. So technical, sometimes C or a colon hai. Here some type is used as an adverb which is come under adverbs of frequency which qualify whole the sentence here. So for special emphasis we can adverbs of manner in front position. We can use adverbs of manner in front position. For example, slowly he opened the door. Here slowly is come under, slowly is an adverb which come under adverbs of manner. So here is the slowly is used in case of emphasis. जेते बेले कोनोसी एडवर्ब्स रो इंपोर्टेंस थाए सेते बेले फ्रंट रे प्लेस होई थांदी. ओके. सो इन मिड पोजीशन, so in relation to the verbs, adverbs are placed in 3 ways. So when you talk about mid position, adverbs can be placed or on the basis of their verbs. Okay. So let's discuss. When the main verbs of the sentence is be verbs, the adverbs go immediate after it. Okay. जेते बेले सेंटेंस रे बी भार्ब मेन भार्ब रूपे यूज हेतिबो बा मेन भार्ब बी भार्ब मेन भार्ब भाबे यूज हेतिबो सेते बेले आमे बी भार्ब परे परे ही एडवर्ब्स प्लेस होई थाए. ओके. सो टेक सम एग्जांपल. दे आर रियली हार्ड वर्किंग. हियर actually the basics, the root sentence was they are working. So here we can't find any main verbs. Okay. Only there are helping verb. Helping verb is there and which is come under be verbs. Okay, students, we know that be verbs. Be verbs mean that it came under auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verbs. Be verbs means is, am, are, was, were. These type of helping verbs can be come under be verb. So they are hard working. Here is no main verbs. So here is helping verbs or be verbs. Here be verbs used as a main verbs. So after be verbs, here really is an adverb is used. Okay. Ram is probably right. Here there is no any main verbs. So here is or be verbs used as main verbs. So after main verbs probably is an adverb which is used here. Okay, understood. So let's go to the next slides. A verb phrase having 2 or more parts such as has done, will be finished. Here the adverbs goes after the first auxiliary. जेते बेले गोटे verb phrase रे आमे जानी छु भार फ्रेज दुई और तीन स्ट्रक्चर रे गढ़ा लाइक हियर हैज डन will be finished etc. Here there is two words, it's become a verb phrase. Okay, so जेते बेले गोटे सेंटेंस रे verb phrase एमिति दुईटी पार्ट्स रे थाए सेते बेले आमे फर्स्ट ऑक्सिलरी परे परे ही एडवर्ब आसी थाए. Look at the example, I have never seen a tiger. Here never is used an adverbs. Okay, here there are structure is have seen, so due to having such structure never is used after the first auxiliary, that is have. Look at the second example, he is always doing something. Okay, the sentence is he is doing something. Okay, here there is a verb phrase which is combination of two words, is doing. So due to having verb phrase, so here always is an adverb that is used after the first auxiliary is. Okay, so but the adverbs of manner and degree go after the second auxiliary. For example, but the adverbs of manner and degree go after the second auxiliary. Okay, look at the example. I have been politely waiting for him. Here politely is an adverb of manner. Okay, जेते बेले सेंटेंस जदि एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर किंबा एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री थाए ताहले स्ट्रक्चर थिले भी दुई ऑक्सिलरी परे परे ही एडवर्ब्स आसी थाए. लाइक हैव बीन आफ्टर हैव बीन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट ऑक्सिलरी, दिस इज द सेकंड ऑक्सिलरी. सो आफ्टर सेकंड ऑक्सिलरी politely which adverb which is placed here, they would have definitely done this. So definitely come under adverbs of degree, and here would have. Okay, would have. So this is the first auxiliary, this is the second auxiliary. So after second auxiliary, so defined here an adverb is used. Okay, so when there is no be verb, and you can say this is simple tense. In this sentence adverbs go immediate before the main verbs. तो जेते बेले सेंटेंस रे बी वर्ब न थाए, केमिति बी वर्ब न थाए, just try to understand. And this must be a simple tense, like I go to school. Here this is a simple tense because there is no any be verb. There is main verb which start with a main verb. So in such case adverbs can be placed before the main verb. Just try to understand. I soon realize my mistakes. So here the sentence is I realize my mistake. Okay, so this is simple past. The sentence was simple past. Okay, so we know that in simple past there we can find any be verb there. Okay, so here soon which is adverb of time which is used before the main verb. So एठारे जेहेतु मेन भार्ब अछि एठारे कोनोसी बी भार्ब ही नाही, तो सेति पई सुन जहा कि गोटे एडवर्ब्स मेन भार्ब रो पूर्व रे ही प्लेस होई छै. लुक एट द सेकंड सेंटेंस, आई समटाइम्स प्ले फुटबॉल. हियर प्ले इज ए मेन भार्ब, देयर इज नो एनी बी भार्ब. सो बिफोर मेन भार्ब sometimes is an adverb which is placed here. Okay, and sometimes which is come under adverbs of frequency which do not any exact number of frequency. Okay, so adverbs of frequency, manners, some sentence adverb, few adverbs like soon, just, etc. go in this position. So some adverbs of frequency, manner, some sentence adverbs, and few adverbs like soon, just, etc. go in mid position. Okay, adverbs of frequency such as always, never, seldom, squarely, etc. go in the mid position. तो आउ केतोटी adverbs of frequency अछंती जहा always, never, seldom, squarely ये समस्त mid position रे जानती. But for special emphasis they go in the front position with followed by the auxiliary, then the subject, then the main verb. So जदि एडभार्ब्स रो किछि स्पेशली इंपोर्टेंट बाय एम्फेसिस अछि तो ताहेले एडभार्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी like always, never, seldom, scarcely, etc. can also be placed in front position. Just try to understand through this example. Seldom does he help anybody. Okay, here the adverbs, here is the adverb seldom, here is emphasized. Okay, due to having emphasized in adverb, it is used. The seldom, which is adverb of frequency, is placed at the beginning of the sentence, or we can say in front position. Okay. Rarely have I come across such a sight. Here rarely is used, okay, in emphasized, okay, special emphasized. And possession. Most of adverbs of manner, place, time, and some adverbs of frequency telling the exact number of occurrence such as 4 times a week, etc. go in the end position. तो हमें देखिबा कि एडभार्ब्स ऑफ मैनर प्लेस और केते गुड़िए फ्रीक्वेंसी एडभार्ब्स होचंती जो माने कि एग्जैक्ट टाइम पीरियड हमको एग्जैक्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी द रेट ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी हमको किछि गिफ्ट इंफॉर्मेशन दे थांती. इन सच केस दिस टाइप ऑफ एडभार्ब्स कैन बी प्लेस्ड इन एन पोजीशन. ओके, सो इफ द verb does not have a direct object, adverbs come after the verb. ओके, जदि verb रे कोनोसी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नाही तो सेही एडभार्ब्स मेन verb रो परे परे ही यूज होतांती. ओके, we know that object, what is object? We know that a sentence has 3 special structure. One is subject, verb, and object. Okay, you have already learned in your previous classes. Okay, so just try to understand through this example. The children are playing happily. Here is a, this is subject, this is a auxiliary or helping verb, this is a main verb. So here there is no any object, okay, because this verb has no objects. So that happily is an adverb which is placed after the main verb play. तो ए सेंटेंस जेहेतु verb रो कोनोसी ऑब्जेक्ट नाही तो सेति पई हैप्पीली गुटे एडवर्ब जहा कि मेन verb रो परे परे ही प्लेस होई अछि. ओके, so if the verb has an object, the adverbs are placed after the object. जदि verb रो ऑब्जेक्ट थाए ताहेले ऑब्जेक्ट रो परे परे ही adverbs आसी थाए. Just try to understand through this example. I meet him yesterday. I here used is subject, meet here is used, met here used as verb, or him here is an object. So due to having object in the sentence, yesterday which is an adverb which is used after the object him here. Okay, understood? So order of adverbs in n position. So sometimes there may be more than one adverb in the n position. In such case the normal order is MPT. बेले बेले आमे देखिबा कि गोटे सेंटेंस रे बहुत गुड़िए एडवर्ब्स यूज हेबार देखिबा को मिली थाए. In such case you have to follow structure. Okay, that is MPT. तेबेले सेंटेंस रे बहुत गुड़िए एडवर्ब्स एन पोजीशन देखिबा को मिली थाए सेते बेले आमे गोटे स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करि थाउ, that is MPT. Okay, where M means adverbs of manner, P means adverbs of place, and T means adverbs of time. Okay, so you can understand clearly through this example. I went to Puri yesterday. Okay, so here there are two adverbs used here, to Puri and yesterday. So on the basis of this structure, that is MPT. Due to here we can find any adverbs of manner here. So after that it will be P. So Puri here come under adverbs of place. So we have to place before adverbs of time. So PT माने फर्स्ट आमे एडवर्ब्स ऑफ पूरी यूज करिबा तापरे एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम यूज करिबा. कम टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. राम sang beautifully in the school. तो एठारे beautifully होची एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर एंड स्कूल होची एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. So on the basis of this structure these adverbs are placed. First manner asibo, then place asibo. Okay, so if the verb shows any moment requiring a destination, okay, like go, come, send, arrive, etc. So if the verbs indicates any movement requiring destination, okay, in such case our structure will be from MPT to it will be PMT. Okay, it will be MPT to PMT. The adverbs of place come first. Okay, जदि verb जदि sentence से यूज होतिबा verb कौन से मोमेंट बा किछि गंतव्य स्थल को नहीं किछि मोमेंट सूचाउ थाए ताहले फर्स्ट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस यूज होता है. फर्स्ट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस, देन एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, देन एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम. Look at the example. We reached home safely yesterday. Here reached, it indicates some moments from one place. We used journey from this place and reach to the another place. Here reach indicates some moving action. So that first, due to having here adverbs of manner and adverbs of time, so there is no adverbs of place where it will be. It is used in MT. When there are two or more adverbs of time placed in n position, the adverbs indicate smaller unit goes before the large one. जेतेबेले गोटे सेंटेंस से दुईटी भिन्न भिन्न एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम किंबा प्लेस यूज होता है ताहेले प्रथमे आमे स्मॉलर यूनिट की लिखिबा तापरे आमे लार्ज यूनिट की लिखिबा. So just try to understand. The meeting will be held at 9 AM on Monday next week. Different adverbs of times used here. Okay, that is 9 AM Monday next week. So we know that 9 AM is which is a smaller unit than Monday. And Monday is the smaller unit than next week. So in this way, when there is different type of adverbs of time are used, we have to follow this pattern. First we have to take smaller one, then we have to use larger one. Come to the next. We lived in a hotel in Puri. There are two types of adverbs of place used here, hotel and Puri. So एठारे hotel हो जो smaller unit, then Puri. So it's follow the above structure, above set structure. Okay. So possession of adverbs like even, only, just and simple. So dear students, these adverbs are called focus adverbs. These above mentioned adverbs like even, only, just, simply are known as focus adverbs. जदि sentence रे ए adverbs सब यूज होई थांती तो सेमाने जेउठी फोकस करिवे सेही इंपोर्टेंस दे थांती. ओके, adverbs, so they can change place depending on where we want to place the focus. आमे जेउठी फोकस करिबा where we want to focus, they also focus on their place. Okay, just try to understand this concept from this example. Only he speak. So here only that we can take H adverbs of focus. Okay, so only he speak English. Here only which is used before he. Or one thing that, so we know that there is three basic structure of sentence: S plus V plus O, subject, verb or object. Okay, on the basis of this we have to take this example. Okay, so focus adverbs can focus subject, can focus verb, can focus object also. So try to understand this concept through this showing examples. Only he speak English. Here he is subject, speak is verb, English is object. So here only focus adverb which is used before subject. Focus on subject. Only he speaks English. It means only person who speak English. एठारे खाली जने ही पर्सन अछि जे इंग्लिश कहि पारे. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. ही ओनली स्पीक इंग्लिश. हियर ओनली इज ए फोकस adverb which is used before verbs because it focus on verb. So it means he only speak English. So it means he does not know any other language. से कौनसी भाषा ही जाने नहीं, खाली इंग्लिश जाने. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. He speak only English. Here the focus verb only which is used before an object. This is English, which is focused on English, and it means out of other language he speak only English. So सबु भाषा जानिछि किंतु English रे there are some activities that we have to do. So use the adverbs given in brackets in their right place and rewrite the sentence in given space. तो एठारे केतोटी ब्रैकेट से केतोटी एडवर्ब्स अछि. ओके हमें राइट प्लेस से ताकू लेखिबा. So the summer is hot and humid. So we know that when a sentence have BH main verb, okay, so you just have to put adverbs before the B verb. Okay, so you have to use here. So it will be the summer is usually. Come to the next. Ram made his friend. Okay, Ram made his friend. So here we know that yesterday, which is adverbs of time. So adverbs of times mainly go in N position. We have to do Ram met his friend yesterday. So come to the next. The baby is playing. So here the baby is playing. So we know that there is a verb phrase which is combined of two words, each and playing. So on the basis of the rules, so adverbs can be placed before the main verb. So here main verb is placed due to having main verb. So here we have to place the adverbs before this main verb where there is a verb phrase. Okay, so it will be the baby is playing happily. Nobody was injured. We know that here fortunately it's a sentence adverbs, and sentence adverbs is placed in front of sentence. So because fortunately here the adverbs which qualify the whole sentence. Okay, so we have to use first fortunately. Nobody was injured. So I come here. So this sentence having a main verb, or we can say simple tense. आमे जानी छु जोटा सिंपल टेंस से थाए बा मेन भाव थाए. ओके, हेल्पिंग भाव जो थारे बी भाव न थाए सेठारे आमे जानी छु कि मेन भाव पूर्व रे ही एडवर्ब्स यूज होय थाए. ओके, तो एठारे सिंपल टेंस यूज हेथिबारु आमे मेन भाव पूर्व रे ही एडवर्ब्स को पुट करिबा. सो इट विल बी I hardly come here. Okay, understood. Next activity is activity 2. So put the adverbs given in the brackets in their right order. So dear students, we know there if any sentence having more than two adverbs of manner at times and more adverbs in the sentence, so we have to follow a pattern, that is MPT. Okay, that is MPT. Okay, so Gita has been waiting. So there are two adverbs for 2 hours and patiently. So we know that this 2 hours it is adverbs of time and patiently this is adverbs of manners. So first, on the basis of this pattern, first patiently. So we have to use here patiently. Then we have to use for 2 hours. Okay, so she ran. So adverbs in the brackets into room and quickly. On the basis of this pattern, it will be adverbs of place. So dear student, here ran, we show a movement requiring a destination. So we know that in such case adverbs of place come to the first. It will be PMT. ओके, जेहेतु रैन गोटे मूविंग रो सूचना देउछि तो एठारे एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस प्रथमे लागि थाए. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू यूज सी रैन बिकॉज़ द रूम इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. सो यू हैव टू यूज सी रैन, इट विल बी यूज फर्स्ट, देन क्विकली एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. सो यू हैव टू यूज इन सेकंड. सो इट विल बी द सी रैन इनटू द रूम क्विकली. ओके, I went. So here went is so a movement requiring a density. So you have to first, you have to use there. It will be the adverb which is used first, then quickly. So here the sentence will be I went there quickly. Okay. Ramesh spoke. Okay. Here is three adverbs: in meeting, this morning, and nervous. Here is the verbs which is not showing any moment requiring a density. So you have it follow the patterns MPT. So here in meeting is adverbs of place, the morning is adverbs of time, and nervously adverbs of manner. So first come nervously, then this morning, then in meeting, then this morning. The sentence will be Ramesh spoke nervously in meeting this morning. Okay. They called me. Here two types of adverbs of time is there. So आमे पढ़ी सारी कि सेंटेंस जदि एडभार्स ऑफ टाइम बा एडभार्स ऑफ प्लेस डिफरेंस होई थाए माने दुईटी थाए और दुईटी ततोधिक थाए सेठारे आमे प्रथमे स्मॉलर यूनिट यूज करि थाउ देन वी हैव टू यूज लार्जर यूनिट. सो आमे जानि छु 11 दिस इज स्मॉलर यूनिट, so it will be used first, then it will be. So and sentence will be they call me at 11 p.m. yesterday. Okay. So in this lesson we have learned what is called adverbials, how adverbials are formed, and what are the right possession order that in where we can put different adverbs. So I hope it will help a lot in your studying. So there are many activities in your books. So you have to practice these activities. If you face any problem while practicing, you can consult your teachers regarding this. So this is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.